Hello, traders, and welcome back to another episode of Market Update, this time for the week ending the 19th of November, 2021. We hope everyone is ready to finish the year off strong, as are we here at Master Markets. The topic for today is well-formed outcomes. Well-formed outcomes. What do we mean by that? Well, if you haven't heard the term, stay tuned to find out how defining and clarifying the well-formed outcomes can help you get focused and bring about your goals quicker and with less resistance. This applies to not only your trading and career goals, but in every aspect of your life. So let's dive in. Welcome back, traders. Thank you for joining the MTM team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. I'm Safed Bassam, a trader here at Master the Markets. Well, this topic, well-formed outcomes, is not technical like the topics I've covered before, but I'd argue that this is the most important one. And why is that? Because it helps you define for yourself what exactly you want and what exactly are you moving towards. So let's dive into what it is. If you are able, I'd suggest that you take some time to write or type this out during this video, pausing along the way if you have to, because it is going to be something that potentially could have a good impact on what it is that you are pursuing, trading or otherwise. So let's dive in. There are a few parameters around developing a well-formed outcome. So what are those? Parameter number one, state in positive and proactive terms. So instead of saying, no, I don't want to work at this job anymore, or I don't want this health issue anymore, instead, you can say, I want a job in X industry paying me Y with Z hours and a boss that respects me. Or I want to feel energy and vitality throughout my entire day. So again, stating in positive terms, not what you don't want, but what you do want, defined as clearly as you can. If possible, also include the time frame, the deadline for when you would like to achieve that. Parameter number two, clarify your why and go deeper. Ask yourself, what's important to me about that? And what will that do for me? Keep asking yourself those questions. So perhaps when you said, I don't want to work at this job anymore, what you really need is, I want security and respect. Why is that? What's important to you about that? Because I want to feel free and valued. That resonates, doesn't it? Maybe it shall when you do. Or what's important to me about feeling energy and vitality throughout my entire day? Well, I want to have the freedom to pursue my goals. What's important to me about that? What's that going to do for me? Because I want to feel alive and contribute. Keep going deeper until a statement that you say or write down to yourself really resonates with you.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Next, parameter number three. Define the evidence for having reached it. Ask yourself, how will I know when I have it? So something like, I will know when I get a job offer email with exactly what I am looking for or better. Or I will know when I can stay in the moment and not allow my body to limit or define what I need to do. Trying different evidences to see what resonates with you as well. And again, include a time frame or a deadline so that you know by X and Y date that you will have achieved that goal. The final parameter, it's not exactly a parameter, it's actually a bonus, is the future pace. What do I mean by future pace? What it basically means is to imagine a future scenario, or it could be multiple scenarios, in which you see yourself thinking, speaking, and doing differently in line with having achieved your goal or what consistently moves you towards that goal. Feel that feeling. So, for example, you want to feel free and valued. You want a job in the industry. You a certain amount, working a certain amount of hours in a boss that respects you. Feel that. Feel and visualize yourself going into work, getting the respect that you want, performing the actions at work that you are wanting to perform, and just feeling how that would be as you go about your day. Do it for any outcome that you are pursuing. You can do this for trading. You can do this for your career. You can do this for your health. You can do this for your relationships. Any part of your life in which you would like an outcome, which you're pursuing an outcome. This exercise is especially powerful to do right before you go to sleep, as it enables your subconscious mind to get to work on the next. So there you have it, folks. Well-formed outcomes. Think of it as SMART goals on steroids. Try it out. What do you have to lose? Yeah. I hope this video has helped you gain some clarity on what it is that you're pursuing, whether financially or just in life otherwise. Defining for yourself and having a clear mental image of you hitting your financial goals, for example, can propel you that much quicker and with that much more ease towards your purpose. We hope you try it. We hope that you achieve your outcomes that you were setting forth.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, the first step to do is to find out your trader type by taking our Trader Personality Quiz today. This will help you trade strategies that fit your personality to achieve consistent performance. After the quiz, you will also gain a free video course that suits your personality to help you trade safely with low risk and high returns.
Let's start with, as we do regularly with Euro USD. As you guys see here, after an October pullback, we are continuing this downtrend, getting some support here from the summer of 2020. It's interesting to see what it will do next, whether it will continue in this downtrend or whether it will reverse and form a uptrend after confirming this one. Next, dollar franc has bounced off some support here, the end of October. Confirmed uptrend now. No trade as of yet, diminishing OE to the upside. We're going to be keeping a close eye on the dollar. Next, the pound dollar. Pound dollar had a swing low confirmed. There's a good OE to the upside. So waiting for an entry now to be triggered into this trade to go long. No trade as of yet. Next, the dollar yen. Dollar yen, we entered long for a small loss this week. And it's also hitting some resistance from 3 years ago. So interesting to see if it'll break through that resistance level or if it will reverse, confirm a swing high, and reverse down. Next, looking at the Aussie dollar. We are in a top to bottom move, reaching the end of our open equity. No trade as of yet. Interesting to see if it'll confirm a swing low and bounce, or we'll push right through, continue the downtrend. Next, Euro JPY. It's a good support after the top to bottom move. As you can see here, the long wick. The bottom has still not been confirmed. And we have reached the end of the open equity here, so no trade on the euro. Next, FTSE. It's resistance from November 2019, going way back to the pre-pandemic levels. Top was confirmed, but still looking strong. We're looking at the macro picture for the FTSE. Next, looking at the US index, the Dow Jones, at all-time highs over the past month. And looking like it's hitting some resistance up here. But again, still very strong if you look at the macro trend on the indices. Next, coffee. We're still in an established trend breakout. We're now reaching levels not seen for 10 years since 2011. So very interesting to see what will happen with coffee, if it'll continue to trend higher and set new highs or back off after hitting some resistance. Next, oil. We backed off after hitting some resistance level from 2018 highs. So interesting to see if it'll just retrace and continue on the march up that it has been for a few months, or if it'll continue down. As you can see here, plenty of OE to the downside. No trade as of yet, even if we are in a confirmed downtrend. Next, gold. Resistance levels now look like support for gold. Good OE on both sides. Still no trade as of yet. Silver, similar. Still in a bottom to top move, no confirmed top here. After it has hit this resistance level from earlier this summer, no trade as of yet for silver. All right, let's move into the performance for this past week for our trade rooms. For our live trading room, no trades on most of these strategies. For the liftoff, we had a slight loss of negative 0.5%. And for the MTM Elite room, we had no trades taken. So overall, slight loss in both trading rooms. Well, there you go, gents and ladies. And are excited to finish this year off strong and share with you the gains, knowledge, and hopefully profits as well. Well, thanks again for tuning in. Remember, traders, as we say here at Master the Markets, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.